marketing research. And here are the importance of marketing research. And identify viable new products and services. So dito naman po natin malalaman kung ano yung mga needs and wants ng mga potential customers natin para magkaroon tayo ng idea. So the second one is enable risk reduction. So dito naman po makakontrol natin yung possible na maging risk kapag nagkaroon tayo ng marketing research kasi meron na tayong idea or may detail na tayo kung ano yung mga gusto ng potential customers natin. And sunod is identify market opportunities and threats. So dito naman po nabibigyan tayo ng opportunity para maging successful yung isang company na meron tayo. Like sa mga products and services, since may idea na tayo sa mga needs and wants ng customers, may possible na rin na magkaroon tayo ng opportunity para i-grab. Determine the level of customers' satisfaction. So dito naman po, malalaman na natin kung nagustuhan ba ng customer na yon or na-satisfied ba sila sa product or service na meron tayo. So the next is pinpoint and anticipate market trends or changes. So dito naman po yung mga malalaman din natin yung mga nauusong product or service na for sure na tatangkikin ng mga potential customers. Like ngayon, ang trends ngayon is iPhone Pro Max. So isa siya sa mga trends or changes na pwedeng maging isang successful yung company kapag alam natin. So, meron tayong steps in marketing research. Number 1, research need determination. The problem situation has to be assessed initially to determine if marketing research is needed at all. So, sa first step natin, kailangan muna natin alamin if kailangan ba natin mag-conduct ng marketing research or kapag ang isang company natin is kailangan ba natin gumawa ng marketing research. So, aalamin muna natin kung kailangan ba. So, meron tayong reason para hindi na gawin yung marketing research. Marketing research is not needed when information is readily available. So, bakit pa tayo magagawa ng isang marketing research kung andyan na yung information? And the second one is, you cannot afford the research. Siyempre, sa marketing research, kailangan afford natin and dapat meron tayong enough na budget para magawa natin yung marketing research. So, kung hindi mo afford yun, hindi mo na kailangan gumawa ng marketing research kasi masasayang lang yung mga pinagpaguran mo na una. And the next one is, the cost outweigh the value. So, dito naman is for example, merong event sa school and gusto kong magtinda ng like turon, ganyan. Tapos, ngayon pa lang ako magde-decide. So, iniisip ko na kung kikita ba ako bukas. Like for example, yung event bukas na and then ngayon pa lang ako magde-decide, gagawa ako ng marketing research. Kikita ba ako or hindi? Like that. The number 2 is problem or opportunity definition. Considered as the most important step in marketing research. So, ito po yung pinaka-importanting process natin sa marketing research. Both problems and opportunities can be subjects of marketing research. So, dito na po natin na-identify kung ano yung problem na kailangan natin solusyonan. So, alam naman natin na sa research, gumagawa tayo ng research para masolusyonan yung mga problem. So, kung hindi natin na-identify yung problem, hindi na natin kailangan gawa ng research. Number 3, establishment of research objectives. Tell researchers exactly what they should be looking for and what they must do. So, dito naman, yung mga